What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to create a video like this. Or maybe one like this, with the country name, a travel plan, and to another country. How to do this for free on Canva is what you're going to learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to our Canva, find the design into the size that you need, and review the left sidebar of menus, okay? And go to apps. Once on apps, search for map video, just like this. And here is the first app that I'm looking for, map video. You can choose the time that it's gonna take to create the video, for example, 5 seconds. You can choose the plan, up to you. You can choose the start country, for example, Argentina to Japan, for example. You can add the flag field and add the text, or remove the flag, only left the text, up to you, okay? I like the flag style, so click on create video. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes, and while you wait, please take a moment to like this video, share a comment, share with a friend of yours, it helps us a lot. Of course, if in the case that you want to create a video with 10 seconds, it's gonna take more time. Let's click on add to design. Let me adjust the size, just like this. Let's wait, and here's the result. Argentina to Japan. Long journey, right? And we can add to design or start a new one, changing the plan. Australia to, for example, Brazil. Let me remove the flag so I can share with you. Once again, while you wait, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe the channel. Remember that you can always cut the video, you can change the positions, you can download and use on your design for your Instagram design, for example. Let me add it. Just like this. Nice, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!